Hi, and welcome. I'm so excited to have you here for this Introduction to Home Staging webinar. Have you ever dreamed of designing beautiful interiors for a living, but weren't sure where to start? You're not alone. Some of the most common questions we get are, how do I get started? How much do home stagers charge? Do I need my own furniture and decor? If you have an eye for design and a talent for creating inviting spaces, but aren't sure how to turn that into a profitable career, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into how home stagers work, who their clients are, and most importantly, how you can turn your passion into a successful career in just 1 week. Let's get started. My name is Kim Kapelish. I'm the owner and co-founder of the Academy of Home Staging and Design, as well as my home staging and design firm, Style My Space in Los Angeles. When I first started my staging business, I had zero startup capital. But through hard work and strategy, I hit 7 figures. And I love helping others do the same. That passion led me to launch our week-long hands-on home staging training in 2007, designed to give aspiring stagers everything they need to start and succeed. Later, I teamed up with HGTV and TLC design show host Wanda Colon to create the first ever week-long hands-on interior design certification program. Students come from all around the world to join us for our hands-on in-the-field training and expert mentorship, gaining real-world experience and learning exactly what it takes to build a successful staging and design career. I'm so excited to be here with you today to pull back the curtain on the world of home staging and share some valuable insights to help you on your journey. So let's dive right in and talk about the advantages of getting paid to do what you love and why home staging is such an amazing career choice. First, flexibility and freedom. As a home stager, you're in control. You get to be your own boss, choose which clients you want to work with, and set your own rates. That means you can create a business that fits your lifestyle. Then there's the creativity. This is the fun part. Every home is different, which means every project brings a new challenge and a fresh opportunity to transform a space in a unique way. If you love design and problem solving, you'll never be bored. But beyond making homes look pretty, staging actually makes a huge impact. You're helping homes sell faster and often for more money because buyers connect with beautifully staged spaces. Your work directly influences a home market success. And let's not forget the recognition. Staged homes are featured in real estate listings, sometimes in magazines, and yes, just like our co-founder Wanda, even on TV. The more you grow in this field, the more opportunities you'll have to showcase your talent to the world. So home staging isn't just a job. It's a creative, rewarding, and limitless business that lets you do what you love while making a real difference in people's lives. A downturn in the housing market is exactly when your expertise can help sellers capture the highest profit possible for their home at a time when they need it most. And did I mention, home staging is considered to be one of the top 10 most recession-proof careers. How exciting is that? So let's talk about the role of a home stager, because home staging is more than just decorating. Home stagers make strategic design choices that showcase the home's features and true potential to buyers by using design, layout, and styling to enhance a home's appeal. Staging done right helps homes sell statistically, attract up to 10% higher offers in as little as 1/3 the time over homes that are not staged. To review, home staging is both an art and a strategy. It's about creating spaces that connect emotionally and inspire buyers to appeal to the broadest audience of buyers. Then this can include things like paint colors, furnishings and decor, how to enhance the home's flow and functionality, needed updates, and how to overcome selling challenges that might cause a buyer to say no. Clients can range from sellers looking to stage their homes for a faster, higher price sale, model home units for rentals or new home communities, flippers and builders who fix up existing homes or build new ones, and agents that want their listings to stand out, and even Airbnb properties. No matter the client, effective staging helps properties sell or rent faster and at higher prices. As a professional stager, it will be up to you to assess and advise on what staging services your clients need. Some may just want a little guidance, while others need light staging or even full service staging. I'll walk you through the core staging services next, but here's some great questions to ask your clients to determine what service will be best such as what is their budget for staging, and who is the ideal buyer, and what current style will appeal to them while honoring the home's architecture. To deliver the most effective staging installation, it's important to understand different decor styles, space planning, and what today's buyers are looking for. Striking the right balance between design and market strategy is key, and it isn't always easy. That's why we place a big emphasis on these elements in our week-long certification programs, so graduates can provide professional results right out of the gate. Let's talk about how home stagers make money. Because it's not just a service, it's a profitable business with multiple income stream options and many ways to charge for services, such as by the hour, by the package, or by the square foot. In our program, we discuss the pros and cons of these options so you can make the best choice for you. The 3 core staging services are consulting, redesign, and vacant staging. When you consult with sellers, you will charge a fee to discuss how they can best showcase their own home, including any recommendations for updates needed to attract a buyer for the current market conditions, space planning, decluttering, the list goes on. Typically, this type of service runs $150 to $350, depending on your area, the amount of time spent, and whether or not you provide a professional report outlining the seller's instructions. For the redesign service, typically you or your team are executing the staging plan for an occupied home. In an occupied home, you might use some or all of the owner's items for the staging, in addition to providing additional inventory for the term of the staging. You might also reimagine someone else's home that is not for sale. This means you might be working with homeowners or home sellers, allowing you to broaden your client scope. For a vacant home, you will select the appropriate furniture and decor items from a third-party nationwide rental company. You will oversee the rental company's furniture placement in the home and decorate the surfaces. The fees for third-party rentals can be paid by the seller to the vendor directly or included in your proposal for staging services. In some cases, you might choose to own some affordable decor pieces and rent them back to the customer instead of renting them third-party. It is just another way to earn additional revenue for staging services. In any case, we always recommend you not own any inventory until your business is already servicing clients, and then slowly accumulate items over time that you own and charge rent for. In this way, you can start a staging company with little to no startup capital, and your inventory should be cohesive since the items were purchased with the projects in mind. Other services a stager might offer are prepping homes before the photographer comes, virtual staging done online for clients who may live elsewhere, seasonal decorating, and color consulting. So far, we have talked about who the staging clients are and what types of services can be offered. So now let's go over the steps to a staging project. First item of business will be to tour the home to determine the scope of services and amount of staging needed. Next, you'll select any furniture and decor pieces from the rental company to obtain a budget for needed inventory. Then you will provide the proposal to your client that outlines all inventory and staging fees. Don't forget to include any delivery and pickup fees from third parties or for your own time to retrieve those items and restock them. Don't forget to double check all the final details at the end of the installation and take photos for your inventory and portfolio purposes. And congratulations, you have completed a staging project. One of the biggest questions we hear from students is, can I really make money in this business? And the answer is absolutely yes. The truth is, most financial success in home staging or interior design comes from running your own business. That's why our week-long courses don't just teach you hands-on design skills in the field, we also give you the business training you need to succeed. Whether you start out working for someone else or jump right into your own business, our training prepares you for both. Working for a staging or design company can be great practice for space planning and decorating, but it won't teach you the key aspects of running a profitable business, like how to set your prices and find clients, marketing your services so people know about you, hiring the right help when you are ready to grow, understanding payroll, insurances, and daily operations. Our goal is to make sure every graduate walks away with the skills to not only stage and design beautiful spaces, but also build a successful, thriving business. That way, no matter where you start, you always have the tools to grow and succeed long term. Let's go over the differences in earning potential as a home stager. Working for someone else varies across the country, but you can expect to earn about $15 to $30 an hour, depending on your experience and location. Home stagers that work for someone else full time might expect to earn $35,000 starting out to $50,000 a year for very experienced. But I will share with you that the most staging companies only hire outside help as needed. So it's more likely to expect part-time work amounting to less than $30,000 a year, even for an experienced stager. Now, don't forget you might also offer consulting for staging, and that can quick start your business or add to your revenue. Stagers that are already in place in their business and have their own clients and do not own furniture inventory but have acquired their own decor to earn rent on might earn about $50,000 to $150,000 a year if they average 4 to 6 home redesign or vacant staging services a month, while stagers averaging 4 to 6 vacant or redesign homes a month might average around $300,000 or more per year once they own their own furniture and decor. Again, we don't recommend owning any inventory until your business model supports the finances to do so. Lastly, stagers averaging 6 to 10 homes a month of just vacant homes can probably gross more than $500,000 per year, since they own their own furniture and decor, and they are earning rental fees in addition to their staging fees. So that's quite a difference. But with the right training, marketing, and expertise, home staging can be a highly profitable and rewarding business, offering financial freedom and flexibility. Are you considering transitioning from another career? Switching from home staging to another career is more common than you might think. Even with no prior experience or education is necessary for our week-long trainings, many students from varying backgrounds bring valuable skills from other fields that help them thrive. Having experience in project management and organization helps when managing staging timelines and budget. A background in any communication, sales, business, or marketing will provide an excellent foundation to intuitively attracting and building great working relationships with clients. Any position in the past that involved creativity, problem solving, or customer service will help you navigate client relations that naturally fuel referrals and repeat business. Ready to get started doing what you love? We have 2 choices for you to pick from. Choice 1, take action now and start your dream career. I can tell you from firsthand experience that dreams become reality when you take the first step. The moment I believed it was possible for me was the moment my life changed forever. I took action, and today I'm one of the many thousands of successful home stagers across the country, living my dream. And I sincerely hope that for you as well. Let us help you get there. This is your moment. Give us a call at 800-574-5576. There's nothing to lose by learning more. As we come to a close today, I would like to thank you so much for joining me. It was my true honor to be a part of your journey today, no matter where it takes you. So let's stay connected. Our Facebook community is a great way to learn more and stay in touch. And if you visit us at freedesignclasses.com, not only can you join our group, but you can check out more of our free webinars and podcasts as well. Choice 2 is a free advisory session, and I invite you to take advantage of this. We know you have questions. Maybe you're wondering if this is the right path for you, or whether you would prefer to be a stager or interior designer. Both courses are just 6 days and $225 a month or less with qualified credit. So let's chat. You don't have to figure it out alone. We're here for you, even before you enroll. That's why we're offering this free, no-pressure advisory session to help you gain clarity. You've come this far. Invest 15 more minutes, and your future self might thank you. Our number is 800-574-5576. The next step is up to you. We hope you have enjoyed this free presentation from the Academy of Home Staging and Design, and we look forward to helping you achieve your dream career.